Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. These are the free coaching classes for the exams like Polycet, Tsrjc, and SSC. All right. And today we are here for our chemistry session. And today's topic is chemical bonding. All right, students. So, as you know, there will be the questions related to the topic chemical bonding. Okay. We will do the questions. And if you have any query, please write down in the chat box. The chat section is open for you now. You have to write your answers also in the chat box already. Okay? All right, students, let's start the session with the first question that we have from chemical bonding. That is, the forces that exist between atoms in a molecule is. And your options are number one, gravitational. Option number two, magnetic. Option number three, electrostatic. Or is it option number four, none of these? Students, you will get only 30 seconds to answer each question. Okay? So quickly write down your answers in the chat box. One more request, students, please make the session interactive and please write down the answers. Let it be wrong, but at least you all give a try. Okay, your 30 seconds are over, students. The correct answer for this question is option number three, electrostatic. Well done. Harika and Jyoti, you both are correct, students. Please keep answering like this. Next question. Electron dot structures are also called. And your options are number one, Lewis dot structures. Option number two, Pauling structures. Option number three, valence structures. Or is it option number four, all the above? Students, your 30 seconds have started. Okay. And if you do not know the answer, you can refer to your textbook for this class. Okay. Then you can answer. But please write your answers in the chat box. Make the session interactive. Hurry up, students. 30 seconds are running very fast. You have only 10 seconds left. Come on. All right, as I can see, there are many responses in the chat box. And you all are correct, students. Those who have answered option number one, Lewis dot structures. Well done, students. Lewis dot structure is the right answer for this question. Next question. Which of the following noble gas does not contain 8 electrons in valence shell? And your options are AR argon, option number two, any neon, option number three, helium, option number four, Kr krypton. Which of the following noble gas does not contain 8 electrons in the valence shell? Argon, neon, helium, or krypton? Hurry up, students. This is very easy question. Everyone should know this answer. Okay, the correct answer for this question is helium, option number three. And yes, students, well done. You all are correct. I can see all of you have written option three only. Splendid, students. Because helium has how many valence electrons? Only two. Yes, that is why helium will be the correct answer. Next question. In the Lewis structures, cross marks or dot represents. And your options are number one, valence electrons and nucleus. Option number 2, valence electrons. Option number 3, nucleus. Or is it option number 4, kernel? Kernel or kernel, what is the name of the another name for kernel, students? That is common name, that is shell, right? Or orbit. So in the Lewis dot structure, cross marks or dot represent valence in electrons and nucleus both. Only valence electrons. Option number 3, only nucleus. Or is it option number 4, kernel? Hurry up, students. All right, your 30 seconds are over, and I'm revealing the correct answer for this question. That is valence electrons, option number 2. Okay? Neha, Harika, Srinivas, you all are correct, students. Valence electrons is the right answer. Next question. Noble gases do not involve in chemical bond due to which of the following configuration in valence shell? Okay, and your options are number 1, NS2NP3, option number 2, NS2NP4, option number 3, NS2NP5, or is it option number 4, NS2NP6? Noble gas do not involve in chemical bond due to which of the following configuration in valence shell? NS2NP3, NS2NP4, NS2NP5, or is it NS2NP6? Quick, students. Your 30 seconds are running very fast. Come on, hurry up. All right. Revealing the correct answer, that is NS2NP6. Option number 4 is the right answer. Okay, because they have completed their orbitals. See, S shell is also completed with 2 electrons, and P is also completed with 6 electrons. Okay, so the correct answer is option number 4. Those who have selected NS2 NP6 or option number 4, you all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. The nature of chemical bond was explained by, and your options are number 1, electron gas theory, option number 2, electronic theory of valence, option number 3, electrochemical theory, or is it option number 4, hybridization? Nature of chemical bond was explained by electron gas theory, electronic theory of valency, electrochemical theory, or hybridization. Come on, students, you all are doing great. I can see many responses in the chat box, and I'm so glad to see your responses. Maximum of you are right, giving the right answers also. Keep doing like this, students. Okay. Revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number 2, electronic theory of valency. Okay, those who have selected option 2, you all are correct, students. Chandu, Neha, Jyoti, you all are correct. Well done. Next question. Octet rule relates to, and your options are number one, radioactivity of atoms. Option number two, stability of atoms. Option number three, nature of atoms. Or is it option number four, state of atoms? Yes, Harika, you are right for the previous question. That is electronic theory of valency. Answer this question. Octet rule relates to radioactivity of atoms, stability of atoms, nature of atoms, or state of atoms. Time is very short, students. Hurry up. Come on. Okay, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number two. Stability of atom, Neha and Harika. You both are correct students. Well done. Next question. Which of the following element does not form molecule? And your options are number one, hydrogen, option number two, chlorine, option number three, argon, or is it option number four, oxygen? Which of the following element does not form molecule? Hydrogen, chlorine, argon, or oxygen? Now, this question is also very easy. I hope every one of you will answer this question. Okay. Revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number three, argon. Argon is the right answer, students. Chlorine does make molecules. Okay, so argon will be the correct answer because it does not react with any element, right? It is a noble gas. Next question. Which of the following element lose one electron to get octet configuration? And your options are number one, potassium, option number two, calcium, option number three, magnesium, or is it option number four, oxygen? Which of the following element lose one electron to get octet configuration? Potassium, sodium, magnesium, or oxygen? Now, this answer you all should know. I guess. Just a second. Hurry up, students. Okay. Maximum of you are saying 1 and 3 also. There is a dilemma between 1 and 3, but the correct answer for this question is option number 1, potassium. Okay, those who have selected option number 1, you all are correct, students. It's potassium. Calcium loses 2 electrons. Magnesium also loses 2 electrons. Oxygen gains 1 electron. Okay, and potassium loses 1 electron. Next question. Which of the following does not contain 8 electrons in the valency shell? And your options are number 1, sodium or sodium ion. Option number 2, sodium. Option number 3, magnesium ion. Or is it option number 4, aluminium ion? Hurry up, students. See, here we have one thing to focus, that they have charges also. along with this. Right, sodium plus. Plus means what? Plus 1. Right, it means it has lost one electron. Okay, sodium electronic configuration will be what? 2, 8, 1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. Right, just a second. Yes, we were here. 2, 8, 1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. What is the electronic configuration of Na plus? As I told you, 1 plus 1 means what? It has lost its one electron. Okay? That is why there is a charge of plus 1. Then if it has lost this, then the electronic configuration of Na plus will be 2, 8 only. Yes? Similarly, magnesium also, it has lost 2 electrons. Aluminium also, it is plus 3, it has lost 3 electrons. So, what will be there? 2, 8 lost 2 electrons. और यहाँ पर aluminium है, sorry, there is aluminium. So what will be the electronic configuration? Again, it will be 2, 8 because it has already lost 3 electrons, right? Otherwise, the electronic configuration for aluminium is 2, 8, 3. Right, for magnesium it is what? 2, 8, 2. But it has lost 2 valence electrons because there is a plus charge. That is why this will be the condition. Now the question is saying which of the following does not contain 8 electrons in the valency shell? So the correct answer will be option number 2, sodium, because this is having 2, 8, 1. 1 electron is there in the valency shell. Understood, students? So this was the rule that we have applied. Moving ahead. The electrons present in outermost shell is, and your options are number 1, lone electrons, option number 2, excited electrons, option number 3, valence electrons, or is it option number 4, all the above? The electrons present in outermost shell is lone electrons, excited electrons, valence electrons, or all the above. Hurry up. As I can see, maximum of you are saying option number 3, valence electrons. And yes, you all are correct, students, those who have selected option 3. Well done. Next question. The number of electron lost or gained by element is called, and your options are number 1, atomicity, option number 2, valence, option number 3, molecularity, or is it option number 4, none of these? Mm, The number of electrons lost or gained by element is called atomicity, valency, molecularity, or none of these. This will be valency, not valence, but here it will come Y. There is a small slight spelling error, students. This will be valency. Okay. Saharsha Reddy, Honey, Jyoti. You all are correct, students. Those who have written as valency as the answer. You all are correct. Excellent students. Keep doing like this, students. In your exams also, you will be able to tackle all the questions. Okay? Next question. The electrostatic force of attraction between ions is called, and your options are number one, covalent bond, option number two, ionic bond, option number three, sigma bond, or is it option number four, pi bond? The electrostatic forces of attraction in between ions is called covalent bond, ionic bond, sigma bond, or pi bond. Okay, before I can see into my phone, there I can see there are so many responses in the chat box already present. Okay, those who have written option number two, ionic bond, you all are correct, students. Well done. Let me take few names. Saharsh Reddy, Vemula, Neha Raju, Raju Yadav. Okay, and many are there. All right. You all are correct, students. Those who have selected option two. Next question. Ionic bond is also called, and your options are number one, electrovalent bond. Option number two, electrostatic bond. Option number three, polar bond. Or is it option number four, all the above? Ionic bond is also called electrovalent bond, electrostatic bond, polar bond, or all the above. Okay. So Harsh is saying option number four. Neha is also saying option number four. Vim Raju is saying option number three. Okay, Raju is saying option number three, and all right, revealing the correct answer, that is option number four. All the above. Okay, those who have selected all the above, you all are correct, students. Ionic bond is also called electrovalent bond, as well as electrostatic bond, as well as polar bond also. Next question. The bond present between metal and non-metal is, and your options are number one, ionic bond, option number two, covalent bond, option number three, metallic bond, or is it option number four, dative bond? The bond present between metal and non-metal is ionic, covalent, metallic, or dative. Hurry up. As we know, metal and non-metal are there will be always what? An ionic bond, because one will lose the electron and the other will gain. Metal will lose the electrons and non-metals will gain the electrons. That is why there will be an ionic bond. Well done, student. Maximum of you have written ionic bond only. You all are correct, students. Next question. The bond formed between alkali metals and halogens is, and your options are number one, ionic, option number two, covalent, option number three, metallic, or is it option number four, dative? Bond formed between alkali metals and halogen is ionic, covalent, metallic, or dative. Quick, students. You all are doing great, students. Well done. I'm so glad to see your answers. Hurry up. Okay. Revealing the correct answer, that is option number one, ionic. All of you are right. Well done, students. Raju, Harika, Honey, uh, you all are correct, students. Those who have selected ionic, I won't be able to take everyone's name. Next question. Ionic bond is absent in, and your options are number one, NaCl, option number three, AlCl3, option number three, MgO, or is it option number four, H2O? Ionic bond is present in sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, magnesium oxide, or this is water. Hurry up. Here they're asking in which ionic bond is absent. Quick, students, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. Revealing the correct answer, only Saharsh Reddy, you are correct. That is option number four, H2O, water. In water, we have covalent bond. So the correct answer will be H2O. Next question. In the formation of NaCl, shared, electrons are transferred from chlorine to sodium, or is it option number four, none of the above? अभी का क्वेश्चन कुछ तो दिखा रहे हैं. In the formation of NaCl, electrons are shared, electrons are transferred from Cl to Na, or none of the above. Okay, students, those who have selected option number two, electrons are transferred, you all are correct. Next question. Which of the following metal form ionic bond easily? And your options are lithium, sodium, potassium, or cesium. Which of the following metal form ionic bond easily? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or cesium? Okay. Revealing the correct answer, students, that is cesium, option number four. Okay. Why cesium? Because as we move down the group, we know the size of the atom increases, right? And due to increase in the size, what is there? Force of attraction decreases between the molecule and the electrons, between the nucleus and the electrons. It decreases. Okay, and hence they have low ionization energy. That means they are easily lost. That is why the correct answer will be cesium. Okay, next question. Which of the following forms anion easily? And your options are number one, chlorine, option number two, fluorine, option number three, iodine, or option number 4, oxygen? Which of the following forms anion easily? Chlorine, fluorine, iodine, or oxygen? Anion means what, students? They will gain the electron easily. Cation means they will lose the electrons easily. Cations are positively charged, anions are negatively charged, right? So, because anions are gaining the electron more quickly, so what will be the correct answer? I have given you the hint. Okay, revealing the correct answer, that is option number 2, fluorine. Okay, option number 2 is the right answer. Fluorine will lose more quickly as compared to chlorine because fluorine is above chlorine. Activity series is like that. Next question. Which of the following ionic compound is formed easily? And your options are NaCl, RbCl, CsCl, or option number 2, KCl. Which of the following ionic compound formed easily? NaCl, RbCl, CaCl, or KCl? That is sodium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride, or potassium chloride. Hurry up. Okay, as I can see, many of you are saying sodium chloride. Let me tell you, the correct answer will be cesium chloride. Why cesium chloride? Because it is down the group, right? And as we move down the group, what happens? The electron ionization increases, right? Ionization or lose the electron more easily. So cesium chloride is the right answer for this question. Neha, Saharsh, and those who have selected option 3, you all are correct. Premula is there. Okay. All right, students. Next question. The electronic configuration of Mg2 plus is, and your options are number 1, 281, option number 2, 282, option number 3, 28, or is it option number 4, 283? Okay, done everyone? As I can see, okay, maximum of you are saying option number 1. Let me tell you how we will do the electronic configuration of Mg2. Okay, just a second, students. Okay, so the atomic number of magnesium is 12, right? So according to this, electronic configuration will be 2, comma 8, comma 2, right? But here it is Mg2 plus, means what? It has lost 2 electrons. If it has lost 2 electrons, what will be left? 2, comma 8. So the correct answer will be option number 3, 2, comma 8. Okay. Those who have selected option number 3, only they are correct. Understood, students? What is the concept over here? Okay, moving ahead with the next question. Which of the following is not correct for ionic compounds? And your options are number 1, these are solids. Option number 2, conduct electricity in solid state. Option number 3, have high melting points. Or is it option number 4, soluble in water? Which of the following is not correct for ionic compounds? These are solids, conduct electricity in solid state, have high melting points, or soluble in water. What are the characteristics of ionic compounds, students? All right, the correct answer is option number 2, conduct electricity in solid state. Okay, next question. Which of the following is favorable condition for formation of anion? Okay, and your options are number 1, low ionization energy. Option number 2, low electron affinity. Option number 3, high electronegativity. Or is it option number 4, large atomic size? Which of the following is a favorable condition for formation of anion? Low ionization energy, low electron affinity, high electronegativity, or large atomic size? All right, students, the correct answer for this question will be option number 3, high electronegativity. Well done. I can see Saharsh Reddy has answered very correctly. Then Jyoti, Neha, and those all who have selected option 3, you all are correct students. Well done. All right, students, we are doing till here. Okay. And for today's session, we have these many questions only. But we will meet super soon in the next class with new upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel, Jet Program. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching.